guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to know how to get this violet blueberry look, just keep on watching. Okay, so the very first thing I do is I put my hair up and get it out of my face. And then after that, I take the lightest shade of purple in the James Charles Morphe palette and splotchily put it all over my eyelid, a little bit above my eyebrow, and under my eye as well. I also take that same color and put it on the side of my nose and kind of cross over to the other side of my eye, but I don't put it all over the other side of my eye, just in the corner. Next, I take the darkest purple in the same palette and splotchily put it on top of that, just to darken the purple. I'm making sure it's very splotchy and very patchy. After that, I take a dark blue pencil eyeliner and put it on top of my eyebrow. And then when I'm done with that, I kind of clean it up a little bit with a makeup wipe and then reapply the purple eyeshadow around it. Then I take that same blue liner and put it on my waterline. Next is my favorite part, which is the veins. What I do is I take a small precision brush and draw veins, and it's kind of like it's poison shooting out from my eye, and I'm just being very careful with how I place them, and I'm making sure it's very thin. Then I take the shadow that's left over on the brush and kind of fluff out the veins to give it a softer appearance. Next, I put in one blue eye contact to give the illusion that the eye's been affected as well. And please don't judge me for how I put in eye contacts. My cornea got scratched as a kid, and my eyes have been super sensitive ever since. Well, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you want, and check out my other YouTube videos. Bye!